All right, so we've just walked into Wonder Island Park here in Russia, and it's a cute park, very well landscaped. I can see that they've got some really screwed up looking rides over here, like this rocket on a stick, and I see some roller coasters in the background. And we're about to do some roller coastering here in Russia. So let's go ride some Russian roller coasters. So our first roller coaster here in Russia is going to be the Inversion 10 Inversion coaster. All right, guys, here we go. We're doing our very first roller coaster in Russia. We're out here at Wonder Island Park in St. Petersburg, and we're doing a Intamin 10 Inversion coaster. And I personally think that is an amazing ride to start Russian roller coastering at. Here we go, guys. Oh, here we go. Loop-de-loop in Russia. Guess what? There's one more coming. That's right. It's the Russian barrel roll. Whee! Oh man, what an awesome coaster. Woo! And I kind of love the station theming too. Looks like some sort of spaceship or something like that. Alrighty, that was amazing. From here you can see the three coasters we're going to ride. It's going to be the Amusement 10 Inversion. And then over here is the Schwarzkopf, and then we've got the Bakoma Whirlwind over on this side. All right, so here goes this screwed up flat ride over here at Wonder Island in Russia. We're just gonna nickname this the Rocket, because I don't actually know what it's called, but it looks like some sort of Russian cosmonaut device. I'm pretty sure I've seen this once before at Oktoberfest in Germany. All right, so here goes the Whirlwind roller coaster. I kind of love that there's no real fence keeping you from just like walking into the ride track at all. I mean, that's all that's there. And then there's the ride. And there they go. This is exactly like the Whirlwind coaster that used to be at Knoebels years ago. Not the same one, but the same model. All right, guys, here we go. This is roller coaster number 2 in Russia over here at Wonder Island Park in St. Petersburg. What's funny about this one is this is a Bakoma Whirlwind roller coaster, the same model that used to be at Knoebels, if you remember that one. But here at this park, it's actually considered the children's coaster. When you go to buy tickets, this double looping roller coaster is considered the quote-unquote children's roller coaster. They're pretty tough here in Russia when this is the kiddie coaster. Post in the comments below if you would throw your kids on this roller coaster. All right, here we go, guys. Down the first drop. And then we're gonna double corkscrew. One corkscrew. And then here comes the second one. Get ready for it. Whee! Corkscrewing in Russia. End of the ride. That's the Whirlwind here at Wonder Island Park in Russia. Again, coastering in Russia, kind of fun. Hello, Josh, how's it going? I do like the purple track. Purple track gets a thumbs up from me. Kind of like their Viking themed top spin over here. This park has some decent theming for a Russian amusement park. Not that I thought that it would be bad, but it's nice. All right, here's one of these funky looking rides. At least they have some really fun, funky flat rides here in Russia. All right, so we're gonna do this Russian roller coaster that's sort of themed to Texan American, I guess. This is actually a Schwarzkopf that used to be in Japan, and now it's here in Russia. All right, what do we do in America with our guns and whiskey?
We shoot 'em, the cowboys.
This is what Russians think Americans do. Everybody, here we are riding coaster number 3 at Russia. We're at Wonder Island Park here in St. Petersburg, and we're riding this old Schwarzkopf roller coaster that used to actually be in Japan, and now it's here in Russia. So let's hope that this is good. It's got those funky accordion restraints on it. We'll see how we do. Definitely got an odd lift hill. All right, you guys at home, be sure to hang on, because here we go. Nice view of the park from up here. All right, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh man, here we go. There was some accordion restraint headbanging going on there. Oh, man. Oh. I've got my new Russian friend riding with me as well. Oh, yeah. That was for a Schwarzkopf, this actually is not aged well. That was kind of rough and janky. I don't know if I'd recommend it. A fun fact, if you want to buy tickets for the rides in Russia, you need to go to the Kaka booth. That's right. Kaka is ticket booth. Kaka. So the park also has a Blue Fire clone over here, but unfortunately it's not open today. So next time we're in Russia, we'll come and ride the Blue Fire clone. So this gives you a little idea of the overview of the park. There's the 10 Inversion that we rode. There's the Rocket on a Stick. There's the Dark Ride. And the other 2 coasters are up there as well. And yeah, this was a nice park. Well worth coming to do roller coastering in Russia. All right, so we just got done doing some roller coastering in Russia here at Wonder Island Park. How many did we ride? We rode 3 roller coasters. And they were good.
They were great.
The park is fun. It was really well themed and well landscaped. And yeah, roller coastering in Russia. Thumbs up.
What are we riding, Kristen?
No.
Come on, just tell me.
I don't even know the name.
I don't know it either. So what are we at least doing? Are we riding roller coasters in Russia? Would Anastasia approve of this roller coaster?
None of this is going to be.
You're no fun.